How you doing? I'm Rich Gore. I'm the Business and Employer Services person over at Rockland Works. Today we're having our first ever Racing Towards Success event, which is a career fair that has the special feature of Joey Logano's 2024 Championship NASCAR Mustang. We're hoping to impact the community by having them come to see the car, but more importantly, to gain knowledge about alternative career paths to college that are very real.
Hi, I'm Lori Salato, the Assistant Director at the Haverstraw King's Daughters Public Library. And so we're here today to partner with Rockland Works and the Workforce Development Board of Rockland County to bring this beautiful NASCAR to the community. And in the process, Rich and I were discussing how we might be able to make it more of a community event. Lotor Quick Lube had partnered with us, and we were able to bring many different vendors here for workforce development for youth in the county, and we're always open to these events.
Hi, my name is Chris Dragg. I'm with Lotor Quick Lube in Haverstraw, New York, and we're bringing the Pennzoil car today. It's Joey Logano's car. He's a three-time, Cup champion winner, and it shows success. It really creates a nice buzz, and hopefully it'll attract some people to come look at it and find interest in the automotive field. In appreciation for all the work that the Rockland Works and BOCES has done, with helping us with our business by helping with interns and doing training. We bring in students who are looking to get some exposure to working with cars, a little experience, a little familiarity of how the cars work, what we got to do, the different oils that go into them, the services that are available, to give them a little work experience.
There's jobs in racing. I was telling a young lady here a minute ago that if you want to get into racing, there's all kinds of men and women that do things on this race car that never even touch it. So it takes everybody to make this car drive around and around in circles.
We're a part of the Auto Tech program at BOCES.
We heard there was going to be a car here, a very nice car in here. There's a bunch of nice programs. For example, the local union, we went to check it out. There was also the oil. They had job applications, very nice. And there's also some colleges here, like RCC, very nice program.
Interesting technical schools here. HVAC, as well as the military.
We're here for the Automotive program at Rockland BOCES. It basically gives a bunch of careers and opportunities for us. We talked to a few people with the Rockland, Orange and Rockland Electrical Company and Pennzoil.
Hopefully get into a dealership and get straight to work.
Yeah, I'm looking more on the corporate side of automotive. Right now I'm a service tech, but I want to be something like managing money.
It's a great machine.
It's fast.
And that's what we attempt to do at Rockland Works. We attempt to change lives. We attempt to impact people so they are set on a positive route to a career path, thus joining the winning team.